As much as we love cooking outdoors, we obviously do a fair share of it inside as well, and hands down our most used appliance inside is our air fryer. Today we're putting the Typhur Sync Air Fryer under the microscope to help you decide if it's the right one for you. I'm David Gafford, and here at the Barbecue Lab, Melissa and I test the gear you're considering so you can buy with confidence and avoid regret. In this video, you'll see us take the Sync Air Fryer on a Gafford family vacation. Since a member of our family has celiac disease and has to follow a very strict gluten-free diet, eating out as a family is a challenge. Bringing the air fryer along gave us a safe place to prepare family meals while we were away from home. Watch as we cook everything from French fries to homemade gluten-free biscuits and even roast a whole chicken. Before we go any further, we want to be very transparent that this video is sponsored by Typhur. It's a paid partnership, and Typhur has already previewed and approved this video, so this is not an official product review, but more of a product showcase. However, we're still committed to delivering valuable content to our viewers, even while earning a little income to keep the lights on and the cameras rolling. We've cooked a lot of food in this thing over the past week to show you what it's capable of and how it works. I'm going to show you all of that in just a minute, but first, let me give you the rundown on the basics about this air fryer. This is the Sync Air Fryer from Typhur. From a distance, it looks like just about any other air fryer on the market, but this one comes with a little accessory that sets it apart from every other air fryer out there. The Sync Air Fryer has an integrated wireless thermometer that monitors internal food temperature and communicates directly with the air fryer to adjust cooking times and ensure that your meat is cooked perfectly to your liking every time. The whole appliance measures just over 18 inches deep, about 12.5 inches wide, and is around 13.5 inches tall. The cooking basket has an 8-quart capacity with internal dimensions of roughly 10 inches squared and a depth of a little over 5 inches. The basket has a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating and a removable grill plate. The Sync Air Fryer retails for $219, but you can actually save 10% on your Typhur order with the discount code TheBBQLab. We've got links and all the details for discounts in the description below, as well as the QR code right here for those of you who are watching on TVs. Setting up the Sync Air Fryer is a little more complicated than your basic air fryer, but it's still incredibly easy. You'll want to download the Typhur app to your device first. Then go to the devices and hit the plus at the top. Select the Typhur device you want to add, and then follow the steps to pair your air fryer and connect to Wi-Fi. We got lots of practice with this because every time we moved the air fryer from home to our vacation rental to the lab, we had to unpair and repair the device in the new location. It took less than a minute each time and was really simple. You can control the sync from the air fryer itself or the app. From the air fryer menu, you can choose from 6 presets, including air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and preheat. And within each of those, you can adjust the temperature and time accordingly. In that capacity, it's just like every other air fryer. However, the app opens up a ton more features. In set air fryer mode, you'll find the original presets along with fries, wings, and our personal favorite, bacon. But the thing that I've enjoyed is exploring all the recipes in the app. Once you pick one you like, follow the steps to prep your dish, and then hit start cooking, and the exact parameters are automatically sent to the air fryer. All you have to do is put the food in the basket and hit start. The recipe library has 40 options to choose from, but that's really just to get you started. Once you're feeling a little more adventurous, head over to the Typhur AI tab, choose the device you're cooking with, and type in what you'd like to make. It will instantly generate a recipe to your specifications, which you can then send to the air fryer to start the cook. It's pretty cool, and I can see this being a real asset for someone who's just getting started with learning how to cook. If you've been around the channel for long, you know that we do most of our protein cooking outside and save the air fryer for the sides, but this air fryer comes with the wireless meat thermometer, So of course we had to put that to the test. So that begs the question, if your air fryer had a meat thermometer like this, what would you use it for? Let me know down in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going. We did a few different cooks using the Sync probe. The first was cooking some bone-in chicken thighs. This proved to be a little tricky because the thighs were just too small for the probe. There's a minimum insertion line on the thermometer, and it turns out that caused the thermometer to almost reach the outer end of the thigh rather than the center where it really needed to be. After double checking the internal temp with our Typhur Instaprobe, we realized the error in our probe placement, made a correction, and put them back in until they were cooked through. That was our first cook, as we were just learning how this air fryer worked. Our user error was the only issue here. The thermometer had been reading the temperature correctly for where we had placed it. We chose a much larger cut of meat for our next attempt and used a recipe from the app to roast a pork tenderloin. I loved that I was able to select my desired doneness before even starting the cook. I could have made that adjustment from either the app or the air fryer itself. I liked being able to monitor the progress on the app and get an estimate for time remaining so that we could coordinate the timing of our side dishes. The tenderloin was cooked perfectly and the recipe was delicious. I really never would have thought to cook a pork tenderloin in an air fryer. The grand poobah, though, for the Sync Air Fryer seems to be cooking a whole chicken, so we gave that a shot as well, mostly following the recipe in the app. Except we seasoned it with our own feathered formula seasoning. Our chicken was just over 6 pounds and didn't seem to have any trouble fitting in the basket. Per the instructions, we placed the Sync probe in the breast and set the chicken breast side down. We started the cook, and after some time had passed, I got the alert on my phone that it was time to flip the chicken. So I flipped it over and returned the basket to continue the cook. Once the probe hit 155 degrees, I was alerted that the cook was done, and we pulled it out to rest. I don't know why we always seem to forget to film after we slice into the meat, but every portion of the chicken was cooked just pretty much perfectly. The breast was actually quite moist, and the dark meat was cooked well enough to fall off the bone. Again, I wouldn't have ever considered roasting a whole chicken in an air fryer, but this was very much like I would get in a grocery store rotisserie chicken. Only this one still had crispy skin because it hadn't been sitting under a warmer for hours. I would definitely try this again. Oh, by the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing if you want more videos just like this. Of course, we also cooked more traditional air fryer recipes as well. While on vacation, we diced up some potatoes, added some olive oil and our essential equation seasoning, and roasted them up for a delicious breakfast hash. We also made some chicken taquitos using leftovers from that whole chicken. We were able to fit plenty for the whole family, and the corn tortillas got nice and crispy, just how we like them. Once we got back to the lab, we cooked a flight of chicken wings using our hot feathered formula seasoning, which is my personal favorite. We followed the preset in the app, but the wings weren't cooked to our liking yet, so we put them back in for a few more minutes at a higher temperature, and they came out delicious with a nice crispy skin. We also used the Sync Air Fryer for some less traditional foods. One morning on vacation, we made a batch of gluten-free biscuits. We cooked the first half on top of the grill plate, but then realized that it would have made much more sense to pull that out first. So the last half got cooked directly on the basket bottom, and it worked perfectly. Another day, we used the air fryer to toast a gluten-free bagel. Kind of cool that an air fryer could feasibly replace your toaster altogether. Since the Sync Air Fryer has a bacon preset, we had to give that a shot. We were able to fit 5 full slices of bacon in the basket, and the preset temp and time was perfect for our liking. Like I said earlier, we've used this air fryer to cook a lot of foods over the past couple of weeks, more than I've been able to tell you about here. I want to wrap this up by telling you the 3 main benefits I see in the Sync Air Fryer from Typhur. The first and biggest benefit is the meat thermometer. Having an integrated probe informing the air fryer how to cook takes all the guesswork out of air frying proteins. There hasn't been a meat that we've cooked in this that has gotten overdone. The Sync probe is a huge asset if you want to cook protein in your air fryer. Second, Typhur has created a truly helpful app that's loaded with resources. The library of recipes and the ability to use Typhur AI to create new recipes would be a tremendous benefit for anyone, but especially those who are just learning to cook. Third, the Sync Air Fryer is very user-friendly in my opinion. For a piece of technology, the step-by-step instructions for everything from pairing it to the app to starting a cook are all clearly written and easy to understand and follow. We've been daily Typhur Dome users for a couple of years now, but for anyone wanting to air fry proteins, I would highly recommend considering the Sync Air Fryer instead. Remember, if you're interested in purchasing the Sync Air Fryer, you can actually save 10% on your Typhur order with the discount code TheBBQLab. Check for the link and details down in the description below. I'm David from the Barbecue Lab. Behind the camera is my stunning wife, Melissa. Thanks for checking out this video. Smash like if you got value, and we will see you next time.